Welcome, beautiful minds. This is Melodies Mindcast, a Melodies Network Production where we explore mind, momentum, and human potential. Today, we are entering a conversation many of us avoid: shame, guilt, fear, and anxiety. These emotions shape so much of our inner dialogue, yet most of us are never aware or were never taught how to navigate them. Instead, we carry them like invisible weights, believing they are who we are. But here's a shift. These emotions are not your identity. They are signals, invitations. And when you learn to regulate them through breath, presence, and pause, you reclaim the truth that you are the mind, the director, the author. Your brain is the processor. Your body is the delivery system. Shame and vulnerability. Brené Brown. Let's begin with shame because it is often the heaviest. Dr. Brené Brown calls shame the swampland of the soul. Shame is that voice that says, I am bad, I am unworthy, I am not enough. But Brené also discovered something powerful. The antidote to shame is not perfection or hiding. It's vulnerability. The willingness to say, this is me, and I am perfectly imperfect. And still, I am worthy of love and belonging. Pause and think about that. Every time shame arises, you have the chance to disarm it with truth. I may have done something wrong, but I am not wrong. I am human. I am learning. Now let's talk about the mind versus the brain. Let's bring in Dr. Carolyn Leaf. She has spent decades showing us that the mind and the brain are not the same. The brain is physical, gray matter, neurons, synapses. The mind is non-physical. Your thoughts, choices, will, imagination. Your mind tells your brain what to do, and your brain, in turn, instructs the body. Think of it like this. The mind is the conductor, the brain is the orchestra, and the body is the music that fills the hall. When shame, guilt, or fear hijack you, it is often because you've forgotten who's holding the baton. The brain loops old programs. The body delivers panic, but the mind can pause, breathe, and rewrite the score. The pause before the response. Viktor Frankl once wrote, between stimulus and response, there is space. In that space is our power to choose, and in our choices lies our growth and our freedom. Imagine someone criticizes you. Instantly, your chest tightens, your face flushes. That's the body delivering old scripts. The brain scrambles to process rejection. But here in that small pause, you inhale, you hold, and you exhale. And in that moment, you don't react. You respond. You choose presence over panic. That is the mind reclaiming authority. Breath as a regulator. So here's where science and spirituality align. Andrew Huberman, a neuroscientist at Stanford, describes how controlled breathing directly activates the vagus nerve, calming the nervous system. Just one exhale longer than your inhale can shift you from fight or flight to rest and digest. So, when fear arises, inhale 4 counts, hold for 2, and then exhale for 6. When guilt clutches, inhale forgiveness, exhale shame. When anxiety storms, inhale courage and exhale release. Your breath is not just oxygen, it's a code rewriting how the brain fires, how the body delivers. So here's a visualization, releasing the chains. Close your eyes and come with me. Picture yourself in a dim room. Around your wrists and ankles are chains labeled shame, guilt, fear, anxiety. They feel cold and heavy. Now, see yourself take one slow, deep breath. As you exhale, one chain loosens. Another breath, another chain falls, until finally you are free. You stand taller, lighter, radiant. You walk toward the door, open it, and step into the beautiful sunlight. The chains remain behind, relics of an old story. This is the power of your breath. This is the authority of the mind. Rewiring and neuroplasticity and thought trees. So Dr. Leaf explains it this way. Every thought you think literally builds structures in the brain, like branches on a tree. Toxic thoughts of shame and fear create tangled, dark trees. But when you choose presence, pause, vulnerability, you grow healthy green trees inside. Instead, this is neuroplasticity, the ability of the brain to rewire itself. And it means your past does not define you. No, friends. Every breath, every pause, every new thought is a chance to plant a different forest. So, in closing, friends, beautiful minds, remember this. Shame does not define you. Vulnerability dissolves it. Guilt does not imprison you. Forgiveness frees you. Fear does not stop you. Courage transforms it. Anxiety does not control you. Breath regulates it. And your mind is the author. Your brain is the processor. And your body is a messenger. And you are the conductor of this entire symphony. This has been Melodies Mindcast, where we honor mind, momentum, human potential. Until next time, friends, breathe deeply, pause wisely, and remind yourself you are not the storm. You are the sky it passes through. And remember to always be kind to your mind.